Today we are going to show you simple and unique tool for your workshop. Watch full video. Pick for strip and drill both of 3 on same direction, then cut out on the grinder and make like a slots. Now we are going to drill in these strip. After drilling, marking on all plates for slots. Now our mark is done. Fix a job on vise and cut it on grinder perfectly as shown in video. Watch every step carefully. Actually, these slots are working as teeth for cutting your job perfectly, and fast plates are for static position and the middle one is movable. Now look at these strips, it's ready for weld. Weld these plates strongly from both sides. Weld strip upside on this plate and make sure the center one is mild smooth. This circular shape is the most important part of your tools. It's help you for your job handle for cutting easily. After done, the drill kit to small plates and fix this circular part between these plates. Kit a rebar piece for connecting these with each other strongly and movable. Then weld both plates perfectly. Now weld spring for easy cutting and weld it from cutter side. This is handle for your cutter. Now your cutter is ready for work. I hope this video is very helpful for your workshop. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.